G'day guys, Brumbo here. Today it's on side of the road repairs. Apparently to drive on the road you need a warrant of fitness, so I gotta do some bush repairs on the side of the road. Let's get it done. Got the old gas bottle holding the thing up. I gotta put the spare arm with the good bushes in, because there's movement, and some poly bushes in the rack, so the rack's gotta come off. Got these guys, hopefully they sort it. Get her done. Apparently there's movement in the rack too. I gotta put some new bushes in. I got some polys, so get that rack out, get the arms out. I don't think that one's too bad. Maybe I'll just do that one. Righto, just pulled the rack from the Mighty 90. Time to put those bushes in. That bush, it's a little bit wiggly. Wiggly. But it's a good rack for a 90, and work at getting that in too. Get the fuck one out. I can actually see right there. I don't know if you guys can see. That's had it. No wonder it failed the WAF. Get it done. Okay, that took 2 minutes. Boom, put it back together. Alright, rack's on. I've done this twice in the last week, so I kind of got it down. So if you're doing this rack, best to do the alignment bolt down first, because if you tighten everything up and then it's not aligned, it's gonna be a bit of a struggle. But Brumbo doesn't struggle under trucks, don't worry about that. Let's get it. All right, quick eyeball alignment. Eyeball. Alright. Smoko. Then we get back into it. Just put the jack under, pop the ball joint up, and taking the shock mount bolt out. Mark the alignment on the arm bushes before you take them off. I'll go mark them and then whip that off. Bang that one up. Alright, that guy's come off nice. That guy, not so nice. Bit of a stripped thread on that one. It's not coming off. Yeah, that was a fight. So I've got the get the hell off, you bastard. 3000. Let's go. So I'm gonna whop them off, cut the arms off, I've cut into the bushes, but I can't get in there, so boom, and then I'm gonna cut them off and then see you later, put the new one on. I gotta do what I gotta do, man. Alright, so seized lower control arm bushes, inserts, got the old Off Ya Bastard 3000. Just grabbed the sway bar link off that guy, chucked it on the new one. Gonna pop that up in a sec. Just went to Bunnings, grabbed a can of zinc black for rusty parts and a bit of scuffing bare metal. Yeah, might clean that up and then give it a coat. Paint, bit thick, let it dry, this will be right. Just chucking a dab of grease. Young Bradley told me to put some in there just to maybe prevent this scenario from happening again. I don't know. Bit of paint, prevent rust. That zinc stuff's good, man. Alright, we'll pop her up. So I'm just gonna have to get that the best I can, align it the best I can, till I can get it to the shop and on the machine to get it right. But yeah, gotta get that caster and camber, max it out for the lift, otherwise it's gonna be lopsided. But yeah, still back together, just doing the final toe on the rack ends. Wheel straight. Thanks for watching, guys. I'd much appreciate it if you could like and subscribe. It really helps. Plenty more where that came from. We'll put some mean content on. Cheers. Have a nice day.